Hi, I'm Andrew Bragdon. I'm a program manager on the Visual Studio team, and I'll be showing you a brand new exclusive debugging feature in Visual Studio Ultimate. Code Map Debugger integration provides a new visual experience for debugging complex code without getting lost that integrates seamlessly with the Visual Studio Debugger. Code Map Debugger integration provides you with an overview map that automatically stays up to date as you debug your code. Let's dive right in to see how Code Map Debugger integration can make your debugging process much easier. When debugging complex code, it is common to move between different code files by stepping into, out of, and over calls to other code. During this process, it is easy to become lost and disoriented, particularly if you are unfamiliar with the code or the complexity of the program is too high. Code Map Debugger integration simplifies complex debugging tasks, and turning it on is very simple. At any time while debugging code with the Visual Studio Debugger, just click the Code Map button on the Debugger toolbar. Code Map Debugger integration shows exactly where in the code you have been and where you are now. After turning it on, future debug sessions will always include a code map. The code map appears on the right of the current code file, showing you a visual overview of your current debug session. The code map shows exactly where the debugger is currently positioned in the call stack. The code map stays updated automatically, tracking your progress as you step through the code by adding and updating nodes on the diagram as needed. This allows developers to offload their limited working memory onto the map without having to remember all of the code they have stepped through. The code map also allows you to create comments about specific code elements. These comments allow developers to further offload ideas, thoughts, and hypotheses from their limited working memory onto the map. These comments are part of the code map itself and are not stored in the underlying source code. Code Map Debugger integration works well for C# and Visual Basic projects. Code Map Debugger integration also works for C++, JavaScript, and other Visual Studio supported languages. In addition, Code Map also works well with async code in C# in the debugger. Code Map Debugger integration helps developers stay in context while working with large code bases. We have seen how you can use Code Map Debugger integration to provide lightweight support for complex debugging tasks by simply turning it on and relying on its ability to automatically update and maintain an overview diagram of your debug session. We've also seen how you can use this to track your progress as you debug, use it as a place to store notes and context, and reuse this diagram across multiple debug sessions. Thanks for watching. For more information on Code Map, you can see the associated links in the sidebar.